थोड़ा आगे चलो, कैप्टन लाइट नहीं लगाए लाइट।
क्या बात है? आदाब।
ये
भाई पंजाब एक गजरा दे दो।
ऐसी रोड पूरा बाहर करते ना
चल
घंटा क्लियर मार
गजरा दे दे।
जस्ट होल्ड। बहुत गंदा क्लियर आ रहा है यार।
Yes, yes, yes.
आ जाइए सब आ जाइए।
आ जाओ मंडली।
Start from the
और
भाई
together.
फोटो लगा रहा है साक्ष। खुद तो आइए, आ जाओ सब आ जाओ।
गजरा दिखाओ भाई
Yeah,
गजरा।
start from the start.
गजरा देखो गजरा। गजरा सुनको ऐसे।
ये जो गजरा पहना है वो गजरा सूंघो, जो नहीं पहना वो आदाब करो। अरे किधर गया? सोनाक्षी का फोटो काय के लिए लाया? कटी नहीं करेगा, पूरा वन टेक जाएगा।
ऐसा थीम बताया गया है, ऐसा थीम है पूरा मंदिर।
वो गजरा सूंघ पी
हाँ, देखो, आ जाओ। हाँ, चलो।
होल्ड होल्ड।
Thank you so much.
अब आपका दोनों का सोलो, दोनों का सोलो कैसा होएगा? इनका इनका एक का सोलो होता है। हाँ हाँ डाले का सोलो। चल थैंक यू। डन। रुक जा, लाल वाली का अब आपका सोलो। मामाजी का क्या नाम था? ये सोनाक्षी बन के आई है भाई, इसलिए सोनाक्षी का समझ में नहीं आया। पूरा अनकट हो गया भाई। चलो नेक्स्ट हो गया। हैदरी हाँ ये क्या बात। ये ताहा बना है। कहाँ है? हाँ नेक्स्ट मामा जी.
हाय फोटो है कि वीडियो है थैंक यू
Yasmin.
हाँ ये. चल डन.
Done.
Shraddha, come.
I'm coming. Thank you. You too. I like what. Thank you. First of all, thank you so much for coming here. And secondly, I am very excited because it's one of our theme, and we were going back to that era actually. Or it's not an easy theme, so it took us a lot of time, and we all were very excited. कि let's do something different. Not just a regular birthday party, but a party where we all enjoy and have a theme, and we all dress up well, and it's like my friends, they were really excited कि let's do something where we dress up well. And it really took us a lot of time to get everything sorted, because it's not an easy theme. It's like you have to really find things, and not everybody has everything at home like this kind of look. And we've also decided that we're going to go very close to the character, और हम उसमें से pick up भी करेंगे कि कौन सबसे closest dress up हुआ है, and I'm going to share it with you all. And I'm really eagerly waiting to see all my friends कि वो किस character में आए हैं. And as they all voted for me to be Bebo Jan, so I am here, Bebo Jan, and I'm waiting to see others how they are dressed up. And I just want this night to be really amazing, and not just a regular birthday, but a birthday where we all remember and become an event kind of a thing, and have a great time together. So thank you, all of you, for coming here. Yes. It was definitely, and thanks to Rohit Verma, my very dear friend. This is his outfit, and he got me this outfit, and I've been styled by Rehan. And yes, by being them by my side, it was easier for me to get this look. But at the same time, it's not easy, because a lot of brainstorming was done. Ki, okay, what we have to do, how we have to do, how we'll do it. So finally, this is the look that came out, and I'm so happy, and I hope you all like it too. Sorry, I didn't get it. I think it's just the birthday girl who's going to be Bebo Jan. Rest, everybody has picked up some different character, because they all wanted me to be Bebo Jan. So it's my birthday, and that's what they decided. Only one Bebo Jan. Rest, everybody is going to be some different character. Thank you.
एब्सोल्युटली आई थिंक हमारे घर पे सबसे ज़्यादा बर्थडे अगर किसी का अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है तो वो हमारी बहन का है और इसी की थीम थी, इसी का थॉट प्रोसेस था कि ये थीम रखेंगे एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव टू डू what is live up to it and set an example. So I tried to do my best, what I could do from my side. Now it's up to you whether you like it or you don't like it, if there are improvements. But
doesn't he look exactly like Tazdar?
but
The Taj.
thankful to
Then
the
you have to see right in front of the
about the Tazdar look that
Okay,
we have.
you want this? Closer or far?
हाँ बताओ.
Either come closer.
Okay. और ये ताजदार लुक काफ़ी अच्छा है और काफ़ी हिट हो चुका है, इसलिए मैंने ये आज अपने ऊपर ट्राई किया है. तो आज देखिए बाकी लोग का लुक भी कैसा है. आई एम श्योर काफ़ी अच्छा होगा. थैंक
Because
यू.
everybody has tried a lot and he's been preparing this since from Dubai.
सिंस फ्रॉम दुबई.
Abu Dhabi, yeah.
ये यहाँ से लेके आना है, ये दुबई से लेके आएंगे, ये अबू धाबी में मिला है, शर्ट बॉम्बे से लिया है मैंने, जैकेट और पैंट कहीं और से लिया है. सो इट्स बीन अ मिक्सचर ऑफ एवरीथिंग इन दिस लुक.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
पहले तो विश यू मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे और शी इज़ लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल वेरी गॉर्जियस एज यूजुअल. सो बहुत कन्फ्यूजन था कि यार मतलब मैं क्या प्ले करूं. मतलब आज बहुत से ऑप्शंस थे, लेकिन फिर मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना फरदीन खान जो वली मोहम्मद का कैरेक्टर जिन्होंने प्ले किया है हीरा मंडी में, सो आई ट्राइड एंड प्लेड दैट कैरेक्टर. सो वो सिंपल था और अच्छा था, सो डिसेंट लुकिंग.
Yeah, and you're looking really nice in that. But thank you for coming and
you
you're
so much.
looking handsome as Fardeen Khan.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Are you taking stills or are you taking pictures? Pictures, right? Come. At the beach, Viraj, come. Come here, fast. Oh, fast, come here. With Papa.
Who's asking?
Thank you. सब आया तो? Yes, come.
Thank you. चलो दीदी कब? Well, when Shweta came up with the theme of Hira Mandi, I think so. This is one thing which it's running in everybody's DNA right now. It's trending. So it couldn't be such a beautiful theme, better theme than Hira Mandi. Of course, you have to support your friend. So I'm just wearing myself, and yes, and thank you, Shweta. Shweta is a very close friend of mine. She's a very beautiful human being. I genuinely love her a lot, and we just connected recently, almost like 6 months back, and the way we know each other, the way she's standing by me at 3 o'clock in the night, she's always there for me. In one phone call, she will
come
leave
on.
all her work for me. It really means a lot. I think I'm lost of words to express my gratitude, and what a beautiful person. However, she looks so pretty herself, but her inner beauty is also very beautiful.
But so are you, Rohit, because
That goes without saying.
Yeah. And also my entire look has been curated by him. The outfit is by him. And yes, when he says that the theme was because of me, no. The theme is because of him, not because of me. Because the kind of creativity he has, I don't think I have recently seen in anyone. And what do I say? First of all, I would like to congratulate you for your show.
Thank you
which was
very
like
much.
fantastic, because I was there to watch the show, and trust me, one of the most amazing show, most amazing outfits. And Rohit, I'm so proud of you for
Thank
doing
you.
such an
Thank you
amazing
very much.
concept.
Means a lot. Thank
and
you.
since he has such amazing concept, my birthday theme was actually came from you.
Thank you. She's been very generous. मैं मल्लिका जान बन के आऊँ यहाँ पे लगाओ टेबल. Where is the table?
And he can only be Malika Jan. He cannot be anything else. And that's why I'm his daughter. I am Bebo Jan. Yes.
हाँ
I have to
यही
give
है
him-
मेरा सब कुछ.
No. You have to take this.
Which
Because
one?
you're Malika Jan.
Yeah, okay.
We need to here. We need a picture.
I'm modern Monica Jan.
Mr. Topi Baz, can you hold this? Thank you. Happy birthday, Baru. Sir, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. श्वेता को हैप्पी बर्थडे कहेंगे, और हीरा मंडी का थीम है, हम दोनों थीम में आए हैं. हीरा मंडी नेटफ्लिक्स पे देखने वाली ऑडियंस बन के, तो देखेंगे, अभी ऑडियंस जाएगी तो देखेंगे हीरा मंडी में कौन कैसा ड्रेसअप हो क्या है, कौन कैसा डांस करता है, नृत्य भी हो रहे हैं ना, तो बस वो हम देखेंगे और फिर हम इरशाद बोलेंगे. And I wish Shweta a very happy birthday. Happy birthday, Shweta. May she succeed, may she do very well, may she make all of us very proud, and may she always be happy. That's all we wish for our friends. And thank you. You guys also have a good evening. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Come in.
Since the theme is Hira Mandi, I would wish her loads and loads of diamonds, loads and loads of sparkle the entire year. And keep sparkling, keep smiling like this, keep spreading the sparkle, keep spreading the smiles. Wish her all the best. May she have the best year of her life ahead. Thank you.
सबसे पहले तो श्वेता को बर्थडे की बहुत बहुत बधाई। और मेरी बहुत पुरानी दोस्त है, बहुत अच्छी दोस्त है और बहुत अच्छी अदाकारा हैं। हमारे साथ भी एक गाना उन्होंने किया है छम्मो। और आज जब उनका बर्थडे था तो उन्होंने इनवाइट भेजा और उसमें लिखा कि हीरा मंडी के गेटअप में आना है। थोड़ी देर मुझे थोड़ा फिगर आउट करना पड़ा कि केवल गेटअप में आना है कि उस रोल प्ले में भी आना है। फिर पता लगा नहीं बर्थडे पार्टी है। तो बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू श्वेता एंड आई विश हर अच्छी हेल्थ रहे और वो ऐसे ही लाइफ में आगे बढ़ती है। थैंक यू।
Coordinated है। देव, अक्षय।
क्या बात है। अपन दोनों सेम एकदम सेम।
नहीं मैं ऐसे बोलती ऐसे लगा जब ड्रेस अप इसको बाहर निकली
नहीं तो परफेक्ट लग रहा है। यू आर एक्चुअली लुकिंग लाइक एग्जैक्टली जैसा ओकेजन होना चाहिए। अच्छा बोलने का सर।
हाँ
अच्छा
एकदम अच्छा बोला है मेरे बारे में।
बोलना भी है।
वेल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू विश श्वेता हैप्पी बर्थडे। और मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त है। इट्स बिन 5 years since we have been friends and of course the theme is amazing, Hira Mandi theme. So yeah, I'm loving it and that is how we usually get dressed up in our shoots and she has kept it this way for her birthday, so enjoying it pretty much. Thank you.
Just birthday wishes, yeah. Shall I go ahead? I am wishing Shweta very happy birthday. She's a dear friend and I'm really glad उसने ये हीरा मंडी की थीम रखी है। संजय लीला सर को तो 1 साल लगा था, हमने 2 दिन में सब रेडी किया है। So cheers to her and very happy birthday to her. Thank you.